Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the best IKEA lighting products that will totally transform your space. From stylish statement pieces to cozy mood lighting, we've got something for everyone. And the best part, they're all super affordable. All the product links are in the description, so you can check them out for yourself. And if you're new here, welcome! Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We've got more awesome home finds coming your way. All right, let's get started. VINDKAST is like a little cloud perched on your nightstand. Its soft, sewn fabric shade diffuses the light beautifully, creating a dreamy, calming ambiance. It's small, versatile, and easy to place anywhere. Bedside table? Yes. Reading nook? Absolutely. Even an entryway console. If you love soft, gentle lighting, this one's a winner. BLIDVÄDER is one of those lamps that just fits anywhere. The sturdy ceramic base, the subtle brass details, that textured fabric shade, it has a timeless, cozy appeal. And when it's on, oh, the warm, diffused light instantly makes a space feel so inviting. Perfect for a living room side table or as a statement piece in a bedroom. VARMBLIXT isn't just a lamp, it's a conversation starter. The warm orange glass, the soft rounded shape, it glows like a sunset. Whether you place it on a table or mount it on a wall, it adds instant warmth and personality. And guess what? It's LED powered, so it's not just beautiful, it's energy efficient and long-lasting. DEJSA is all about understated luxury. That softly curved opal glass shade, it diffuses light so beautifully, making any space feel warm and inviting. It's perfect for a nightstand, a side table, or anywhere you need a soft, cozy glow. Want to adjust the lighting to match your mood? Just pair it with a dimmable remote. Sold separately. Easy. TOKABO may be small, but oh, does it make an impact? Its compact design is ideal for tight spaces, narrow shelves, bedside tables, even a desk. But don't let its size fool you. It casts a beautiful, moody glow that instantly makes a space feel cozier. Simple, charming, and full of character. NÖDMAST is the kind of lamp you'll want to carry with you everywhere. Why? It's battery operated. No cords. Lightweight, easy to charge via USB-C, and the slightly tiltable shade lets you direct the light exactly where you want it. Bookshelf? Check. Nightstand? Check. Even outdoors for a cozy evening? Vingmas and Skaftet. This lamp is all about texture, that rope pattern shade. When lit, it creates the most beautiful shadows, adding warmth and depth to any space. It's the perfect mix of modern and boho, ideal for a cozy reading corner or a living room that needs just a touch of extra personality. Pilscott. This is more than a lamp. It's a statement piece. The curved LED strip, the sleek black design. It looks like a piece of modern art. And since it's smart-enabled, you can dim it wirelessly to create the perfect mood. Need bright lighting for work? Check. A soft glow for movie night? Also check. Lauder's is a lamp with thoughtful details. The solid wood base? From sustainable sources. The fabric shade? Made from recycled PET bottles. Not only does it look beautiful, but it's also eco-friendly. And the best part? You can adjust the height and neatly hide any excess cord in the base for a clean, polished look. Nimone is where retro meets contemporary. Inspired by a 1960s IKEA lamp, it brings vintage charm with a modern minimalist twist. And get this, it's a smart-enabled and dimmable. Hang it over your dining table for a soft, inviting glow. Or make it the statement piece of your living room. Simrisham is the perfect mix of modern and classic. That chrome finish, those opal glass shades, they create a soft, diffused glow that makes any dining table feel extra inviting. Let it shine as a statement piece, or pair it with other lamps from the series for a polished, sophisticated look. Felsisk. This is the definition of cool, modern lighting. Sleek black metal. 4 exposed bulbs. That industrial edge? It's perfect for hanging over a kitchen island or dining table. And guess what? You can even adjust the height. Simple. Grinsbin. This is not your average chandelier. It's completely customizable. With 13 adjustable arms, you can arrange them at different heights to create your own unique look. Ramsel is where lighting meets art. That geometric shape, the unique pull string design. It lets you change both the shape of the lamp and the brightness of the light. And when it's on, oh, it casts beautiful decorative patterns on the ceiling and walls. A dreamy choice for a dining area or living space. Vattensten is an absolute must-have for anyone who loves creative lighting. Highlight shelves? Yes. Frame your TV? Yes. Add a soft glow under furniture? Yes. This flexible LED strip creates instant ambiance, and it's bendable. Easy to cut to the perfect length. Even USB powered so you can sync it with your TV's power. Caplake. Tiny but mighty. This little spotlight makes a big difference. Cabinets, closets, a subtle nightlight by your bed, perfect. It attaches easily with a reusable sticky gel pad, and you can turn it on and off just by pressing it. No wiring, no hassle, just practical lighting exactly where you need it. Whiteberg. The ultimate solution for wardrobes, cabinets, or any tight space where a traditional lamp won't fit. The slim, bendable arm lets you direct the glow exactly where you want it. Perfect for reading, working, or just adding a cozy touch. Oh, and it's dimmable and energy efficient too. And that wraps up our list of the best IKEA lighting products. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments. All the product links are down below, so go check them out. And huge thank you to everyone who's subscribed recently. You guys are amazing. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on more awesome home finds. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.